has it changed also the way you perceive reporters? Like, kami kasi, Susera kami kung gusto namin alam yung totoo, ganyan.
Tsaka sobrang may mga scenes doon na parang, oh nga, no, ginagawa nga nila to. Like, basta may isang scene doon, kunwari na, nangyari na yung damage. Tapos lilinis na, gagawin ko na yung damage ulit para na makuhaan. May ganon. So like, but I totally understand your work. And I appreciate it more. That's why I appreciate it. And Chris, kasi hindi biro yung trabaho. Sobrang, you go on a day without knowing what will surprise you. And, but still, you stick to your work. And I think that's one of the greatest things to admire.
Nagkaroon ba ulit kayo ng usapan ni, ni JC about na parang, uy, na-resurrect yung film natin and all.
More of federal. Kasi hindi ko masyadong nakikita ni JC. Pero he tagged me naman on his film. So I'm sure he's really happy na mapapasok ako. Kasi pinaghirapan na namin yung movie na to. So parang sayang naman if people won't see it. So more of si direction ako na parang, hey girl, ganun kasi siya kayo mapasok sa akin, hey girl, yung film natin na weirdo, mapalabas na. Sabi ko talaga, saya naman. Sabi niya, sana mas marami pang tao makanood yung energy daw na binigay ko sa film kasi diba, kesa dun sa mga news works.
Why?
Banana sandwich.
So, ano yung plans around the starter?
Actually, kanina nakasalubong ko. Sa lahat ng tao makasalubong ko sa elevator, yung boss ko pa, si Tita Malu. Yun, kasi nasabihan ako ng soap na to mga months ago, pero may ginago sila, may mga inayos ko sila. So I think they're ready to pitch mga 2 weeks from now, that's what she said. So ako naman, I'm just following the management. So I'm just taking it easy now. Kumbaga parang I'm searching for change. And syempre, if you wanna change, you'd like to take your time. Hindi naman pwedeng if you want to grow with your career, madali ka, diba? So, dun ako, mas more of growth ang hinahanap ko. And I think it's about time to accept different roles. Yes, I mean, it's okay to do drama again, but more of a different level of drama. Pagka parang hindi yung usual na ginagawa ko. Just, di ba, yun naman lahat yung sagot ng mga artista, di ba? I just wanna do something different. Yeah, and just, maybe I'm just waiting for that difference.
Pero kasi di ba yung naging, parang the way I look at your career was, parang, ano yun? Andun na, tapos biglang magsa-stop, tapos aatras, andun na ulit, ganon. So, how would you want it to be moving forward na hindi siya yung pag-ganon-ganon?
Define myself.
Di ba yung parang you did yung kay Thalia na ano, na ikaw na talaga yung major star and then tas biglang madami na naman kayo, tas biglang magsa-stop, di ka namin makikita. Tas biglang, alam mo yun, yung parang even I as an audience, hindi ko tuloy ma-picture. Oo, kung
Yung
ano
hindi
na.
siya yung dire-diretso.
Oo, dire-diretso na ginaganon.
Actually, I'm not asking for superstar status. I just want work. And whatever comes my way, like kunwari, whatever shows my craft, or like kung ano yung makita nila na, okay na talaga yun. Kasi like ako, what I'm hoping for is longevity. So yung haba, I don't see it that way. Andun na stop, lahat ng artist pero sabi nga nila, pag wala na sa relax. Pero pag nasa TV ka, sikat ka. Laging ganun eh. I mean, sa dami ng mga artist, hindi pwedeng afford. I mean, di ba? Iba naman. Pag it's like a service. Pag kumbaga, like, papalit-palit ko. So ako, I'm just waiting for it.
Jessie, hindi mo ba nakikita yung change na talaga gusto mo? Ano yun? Ano yun? Specific ko ano yung talaga gusto mo?
I can't give specifics right now. So like, parang kailangan ko na parang
Nakaka-challenge talaga sa acting.